Pico? What do you want, Pico? What is it? Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath? Oh, you do? Okay. There he goes. And they're off. Kitty cat too. Good boy. What's the doggy do? Good boy. And what about the car? Vroom vroom. Good boy. And what about the choo choo train? No, choo choo train. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo. Choo choo. No. No more beep beeps. You and your beep beeps. What? Hi. Hi, chicken. I love you more.
All right, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
You gotta put it away. Put it away. I don't want it. Yeah, put it away. Good boy. Put it away. Put it away. Yeah, you gotta put it away. Good boy. Put it away. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, put it away. Good boy. Put it away. No.
Maui, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day.
Go look at these two. Hi, good morning from us. Yes. No, jangan gaduh. No, 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 no. No, baby, no. Ow! You bit me. What are you doing? What?
Hey, Sprite, no, give me the pen. Sprite, no, give it. I have to get up. Sprite, give me the pen. No, give me the pen. Sprite, give me the pen. Give me the pen. Give it. No.
Love you. Love you too. What are you doing?
Hey, can you make that one weird noise I like? Hi! No, you can't climb on those. I know you love them. Hi! Where do you think you're going? Oh, search the air with your foot. Oh gosh. Can you say grape? Grape. Yeah, good job. Except you need to learn to say the G. Get a grape. Yeah, grape.
Go to sleep now. Go. Get into your cage. You better. I'm going to call Jade. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. What about cuddle cuddle? You want to cuddle cuddle? You want to cuddle cuddle? You like cuddle cuddle? You don't want to cuddle cuddle? You like to...
You're so cute.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Hamlet? Hamlet? You know you're in trouble. Don't play cute now. You know what you've done. You are in trouble and you know it. You're not supposed to eat the shoes. You're really not supposed to eat them. They're my shoes, buddy.
Just some more.
Oh my gosh, you're so funny.